will create our own 10 models for CXO and entrepreneurship. So there are 10 chapters that we have written, and that is focused on leadership development or entrepreneurial development.
So you have authored 6 books, starting from Walkthrough, HR Ways, Caterpillar to Catalysts. और इसके अलावा अगर मैं देखूँ तो आपने रूबरू जिंदगी, गो एंड गेट योर सक्सेस, सो इस टाइप की आपने बुक्स लिखी हुई हैं. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम अदर थिंग्स, इन बुक्स का आइडिया या किस तरीके से आपके माइंड में थॉट्स थे कि इस तरीके की बुक्स, इस तरीके के टाइटल्स जो आपने लिखे, उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा.
आई थिंक ये रुझान जो राइटिंग था वो शुरू से ही था. As I said, when I was at 34, I planned it for, how many HR leaders would have written the book. So that's where the idea seeded in. Of course, it took few years before I started writing. So I wanted to do books across the gamut of HR. So if you look at Walkthrough HR Maze, this is the toolkit that I've provided for MBA students and the people who are 1 or 2 years of experience in HR. Because there is a big gap in the industry in terms of academia and industry integration. So this book helps them, integrate better and get a better start in the corporate world. Second is about middle management to leader. So one of our challenge in our industry is that we promote people for their operating excellence. People are good, customer is happy, we promote and make them in charge for 6 to 7 people. Now the problem is we do not train them enough to become people leaders. So they keep doing what made them successful thus far, and that was individual brilliance. So in that context, second book I did was Caterpillar to Catalyst. So how do you transform yourself from a manager to a leader? Third in this series I've written is about leadership. So go and get your success, kaleidoscope of leadership models that unshackle the usual patterns. So idea propped up, why don't we create our own models? We keep listening about X model, Y model, his model, her model. I said, we will create our own 10 models for CXO and entrepreneurship. So there are 10 chapters that we have written, and that is focused on leadership development or entrepreneurial development. Then in the middle of that, I've written 2 fiction. One is Workplace Romance and its Perils, which is more about sexual harassment at workplace, diversity and inclusion, how a middle class girl, when she moves to the top, what sort of challenges the person goes through. So it is all around diversity and inclusion, LGBT, posh, in a fictional manner. And another book that I've written is Intriguing Quest of Love. This is again focused on LGBT. It's about a middle class girl who is not very clear about her sexual preferences, and she undergoes multiplicity of relationships. And we have explored what does it mean for the society, what does it mean for the parents, and what does it mean for the larger world when somebody goes through such intricate web of relationships. So, and another book which is Rubaru Zindagi, this is a collection of poems that me and my wife together have written. So this is a bit about some of the books that I've written.
और इसमें जो मेरा क्वेश्चन है वो डेफिनेटली इस पर था कि आपने कहा वर्कप्लेस रोमांस एंड इट्स पेरिल्स, आपने बुक लिखी एंड देन इंट्रोड्यूसिंग क्वेस्ट ऑफ लव. सो दिस इज समथिंग अबाउट कि किस तरीके से एक्सपीरियंसेस या चैलेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं कम्युनिटी में. सो हैव यू मतलब मेरा पूछने का पर्पस ये था कि हैव यू एवर फेस्ड सच काइंड ऑफ चैलेंजेस around your surroundings or someone within your close surroundings so that you have inspired to write these books, or just looking at the experience of others you have written?
I think I have an international exposure, and society is pretty much open about these issues when you look at the Western world. So though India, it has also become bit open, but still those taboos exist. So Intriguing Quest of Love, when you look at it, I collaborated with one of young architects. So if you look at young people, they are far more open about these things now than people before us or in our time. So it's always good to collaborate with young person. Like, go and get your success. I did it in collaboration with a management consultant who brings in 30 years of education experience. So I always believe in, if you share, if you transpose your ideas into others' mind, the results are far better. So I may not have directly faced as such, but have come across so many instances, directly, indirectly, which has shaped my thinking. And being in HR, it's part of my job. And so it's a combination of few direct interfaces and some indirect interfaces, and conversation with those people who are exposed to it much more than what I was or I am.
Exactly. और इसमें जो आपने सबसे अच्छी चीज कही, जो मुझे लगा कि यंग जनरेशन आज के डेट में काफी ओपन है एंड डिफरेंट थॉट्स को एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए. क्योंकि अगर मैं जस्ट अभी पास का एक्सपीरियंस आपको बताऊं, सो हमने एक स्टोरीज दैट इंस्पायर करके एक इवेंट कंडक्ट किया था हमारे ज्ञान गुप्ता के प्लेटफॉर्म से. सो उसमें जितनी भी स्टोरीज आई थी, देयर वाज वन स्टोरी फ्रॉम अ गर्ल दैट इज धनश्री रेवगड़े, and she write one story that how it's okay to be a gay, and then she explained the whole philosophy behind that and whole story behind it. So it is pretty much coming that openness of thoughts from the young people, and that is how we are changing our way of living.